Are you frustrated with your local splicing machine? Wasting your time, your money, and your efforts on constant repairs? Still getting high splice loss, errors, and unreliable results? You try again and again, but nothing changes. It's time to move forward. It's time to upgrade. Introducing the Sumitomo Z2C 6-motor core-to-core fusion splicer. Built for professionals who never compromise. Compact, smart, tough, designed to perform in every condition. Complete with everything you need: hard carry case, precision cleaver, stripper, belt, AC adapter, and extra electrodes. The Sumitomo Z2C features universal clamp fiber holders, enabling quick, flexible splicing across multiple fiber types, without the hassle of changing clamps. It easily handles 250 micron, 900 micron, 2 and 3 mm fibers, even drop cables, giving you complete flexibility for every splicing job. Equipped with a 5-inch capacitive touchscreen, it offers smooth, fast, and effortless control for a seamless splicing experience. With smooth stripping, precise cleaving, and ultra-fast 6-second splicing followed by just 15-second heating, every step flows seamlessly, saving your time and keeping your work efficient. Powered by AI nano-tune technology, it intelligently optimizes every splice for precise alignment and consistently superior performance. With its powerful 6400 mAh long-lasting battery, it delivers up to 310 splice and heat cycles on a single charge, keeping your work running smoothly all day without interruptions. With an electrode life of up to 6000 arc discharges, it minimizes maintenance and keeps your productivity running at its peak. Sumitomo Z2C is built for the field. It's engineered to handle tough conditions, resisting shocks, water, and dust to keep you working without interruptions. With massive storage capacity, it lets you store up to 10,000 splice records and more, keeping all your data organized and easily accessible whenever you need it. Sumitomo Z2C. Bringing speed, strength, and stability together in one powerful machine. Work faster. Earn more. Stress less.